friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. This is a vocal warm-up designed for high voices, tenors, sopranos, and mezzos looking to strengthen your high range. If you're looking for something lower, check out one of my other videos that are linked here. That said, stick with me through all of the ranges as you can, but as always, feel free to switch octaves if you need to. Take a moment now to double check your alignment and bring your attention to your breathing as you center in on the task at hand. Let's take a couple of low, full, relaxed breaths. This relaxation is really going to help with developing easy range. I love to start any singing practice with some semi-occluded work. So today, let's start with a bubble or lip trill. If that doesn't work for you, try a v or a zh sound. Let's sing the following pattern. And go. Great job. Let's take a moment to check in with the body, introduce a little bit of gentle movement, and release any tension you don't need. Let's sigh down and double check our alignment. This next exercise will help release the jaw. We're going to sing on la la la, like la 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 la. It's a very neutral sound, and your goal is to have gentle movement in the jaw. Here we go. This next vocal warm-up is a compound vocal exercise that will ensure good airflow and relaxation, starting with a lip trill. Then we will keep that air going into a focused NG sound like that has no vowel, the air goes through the nose. Then we want to open up to an efficient nay sound. You'll need to work out a breathing pattern that works for you, or work on extending the phrase with no breath in between each exercise. The whole exercise sounds like this. Here we go. freeform Sirens and Glides. Pick sounds that work for you and feel good today. For this next exercise, we'll start a bit higher and bring it lower as we go. We're going to sing on the word money, like money, 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 money. Use the singable M sound to bring a sensation of focus. Here we go. Money, 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 money. 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 Now we're going to sing on a V sound that opens up to an E on a glide, like and try it. This next vocal exercise, we will sing on Thoh on the following pattern. Thoh. This really helps me keep things relaxed and it helps keep the tongue out of the way. One more time, that's Thoh and go. Thoh. And let's sigh down one more time. We're really looking to release tension whenever we can. Working now to retain that relaxation, let's do a 1 octave arpeggio on Z-ah, like Z-ah. As we get higher, we may need a little bit more breath, but we want to focus still on staying relaxed and open. If you find yourself out of your vocal comfort zone, just try to breathe and let go of any judgment. Just do and observe. Here we go. Z-ah, 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 I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready to sing. If you'd like to work a little bit longer, check out one of my playlists and we can keep singing together. Also, make sure to keep an eye on the About section where I will list latest news and announcements, and I have some really exciting things coming up soon. I will see you next time.